Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to learn about volcanoes. Let's start. So did you know that Earth has layers from metals, gases, and magma? The magma is in the center of the Earth, and it's so hot like the surface of the sun. This is Earth. We live on it. This is magma. The pressure makes the magma go onto the volcano, which is right here. And then the magma, when it's into the volcano, the pressure makes the volcano explode and erupt. We're gonna do an activity as well. Right here. So we bought this from Michael's. If you wanna get it, you can just get it from Michael's. So yeah. And I had this paper the whole time because this like shows me a lot of information. And Google she told me all this information, and as well I did this drawing so I can just remember everything and know everything about volcanoes. So we got all this stuff. This is what we need. We need the washing up liquid and the this is the washing up liquid, I think. And baking soda, vinegar, and red food color. So first we have to add baking soda and washing up liquid and red food color. My mom's gonna help me. It's interrupting. Go get Papa now.